Tignan mo panoorin mo si Bina. Because you don't feel as much pressure on yourself. Okay, good. Dito mo yan, Arnie. Mababa yung ano ko. Mababa yung... Yan yung pantalon mo, Bugoy? Kita mo yan, kita mo yan. Yun ang ano eh, it was such a high, you know, watching, like, looking back, you know, and watching last Saturday, it was such a high, seeing 4 performances gave me a special high, okay, that was the performance given by Bugoy, of Larnie, Iñaki, and of Poy. Yung talagang, wow. Now, I'm not saying that, you know, but I love all your performance. And of course, yung high ko can never match the high of Chris singing with Poon, okay?
Iba yun.
Okay. Alright, but it's good. It's good. Watching all this is good. Can I ask for a favor? Can we watch Poy's performance?
Yeah.
O sige, can we watch Poy's performance then Iñaki's, please? Whatever it's first, please. Can we see it, please?
Ay, wala. Hindi na edit on this page.
So, well, all next time.
Yeah,
okay,
next
so
time,
hindi na
next
ipasok dito.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Alright. Now, let's go into positioning. So, nakikita natin yan ngayon, may mga expectation na ang tao sa inyo. Okay, paglabas ninyo sa entablado. Alam na ninyo, this leads to your selection of your song eh. Alam na ninyo, okay, eto ako, dito ako effective sa ganitong uri ng kanta, dito ako effective sa ganitong uri ng pagpe-present ng sarili sa entablado. For instance, the way I see it, hindi ba? Yung iba sa inyo, markado na yung identity. Kung paano kayo e-entrada sa industriya. Nangangahulugan, ngayon pa lang, alam niyo na yung, oh, okay, this is my way of getting into the industry. Ito ang market ko. Ito ang uri ng pagkatao na kailangan kong ipakita at i-project sa aking mga performances. Okay? Yung iba, naghahanap pa. Pero, hindi nangangahulugan na kung meron ka ng personalidad na ihaharap sa tao tuwing magpe-perform ka, na yun lang ang uri ng personalidad na kailangan ipakita mo. Dahil alam niyo naman, ano, pag may regular show kayo, nag-regular show kayo, katulad ng ASAP, hindi naman pwedeng iisang uri lang ng kanta ang pakakanta sa inyo. There are days which I tell you, you're going to be singing songs which you can't stand and which you can't, you don't like, but you have to do as well. Pero, ang importante is, alam ng tao kung saan kayo ikakategorya. Okay? Yung singer na hindi kilala ng tao kung saan ipoposisyon, yun ang singer na hindi sisikat. Dahil hindi nila alam kung anong klaseng singer yon o anong klaseng performer yon. Naintindihan niyo ba ako? Okay? Parang ulam din yan eh. Alam niyo kapag